Honesty is the first chapter in the Book of Wisdom. Rather fail with honor than succeed by fraud. No legacy is so rich as honesty. Honesty is more than not lying. It is truth-telling, truth-speaking, truth-living, and truth-loving. To tell the truth is a beautiful act, even if the truth itself is ugly. An honest man's word is as good as his bond. Honesty is the best policy. The high road is always respected. Honesty and integrity are always rewarded. Nothing is more noble, nothing more venerable than loyalty. The first step towards greatness is to be honest. Make yourself an honest man, and then you may be sure there is one less rascal in the world. A half-truth is a whole lie. He who does not bellow the truth when he knows the truth makes himself the accomplice of liars and forgers. Honesty pays, but it doesn't seem to pay enough to suit some people. It takes strength and courage to admit the truth. When you do not pretend to be more than you are, you can be trusted. Integrity is telling myself the truth, and honesty is telling the truth to other people. With lies you may go ahead in the world, but you can never go back. Honesty is as rare as a man without self-pity. A man should be upright, not be kept upright. Act well your part, there all the honor lies. An honest answer is like a kiss on the lips. If you do not tell the truth about yourself, you cannot tell it about other people. When a man is penalized for honesty, he learns to lie. Lies run sprints, but the truth runs marathons. People all over the nation are starved for honesty and common sense. The elegance of honesty needs no adornment. Who lies for you will lie against you. Truth never damages a cause that is just.